Hey, welcome back to our week of pour painting. What I have here is some functional art that we're going for. I have 6 toggle light switch covers. I've sanded down the surface with a little sanding block. This will make it so the paint will stick better to the otherwise smooth plastic. Each of these is resting up on a little support so the paint can drip off nicely. And I'm going to do a set of black and white and a set of semi-neutral tones so that these could be used pretty much anywhere in the house and they won't clash too much with the other decor. But with that, I'm going to start pouring. Our paints have been mixed ahead of time with Floetrol and water. And I'm going to add a couple little drops of silicone here and there in the paint itself. Alright? Hope you enjoy watching. Alright, our light switch covers came out absolutely gorgeous. I love the looks of these. They were painted smooth, they took the varnish very well, and the paint adhered perfectly to the sanded surface. These are nice and durable, and unfortunately I realized too late that I don't have any actual toggle switches in my house. I only have like the thick buttons that just, I don't have the usual toggle light switch to flip. So I can't show you any pictures of these installed, unfortunately. So I hope seeing them on a white background like this will do the trick and you can kind of use your imagination for what these would look like installed in your own home. I'm gonna get some high def shots of these in just a second, and this is the first set and we have the other 3 off to the side. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more poured paintings this week, and this has been Souffle Art.